सो मैंने सेकंड कैरेक्टर को भी आइडिया डाल रहा हूँ. Okay. So this is some I make some character of something different. Let's see. Like this. You can make something like this. Okay, some character. Like this. The shape I maintain the same shape, but character is different. Okay, you can make it some. They're using some like this. Villain kind of characters. Okay. See, just imagine you also can do think this type of character. You can see lots of movie. Okay. So their cloth, wearing some cloth and head. Okay. This is the big chain part. Okay. Like this. Same shapes, but the character is different. That mouth, the teeth. Okay. Maybe can smoke some cigar like this. Okay. Just think about that. Okay. Some cut line. The fighter kind of, okay, there. Not good, man. So there, imagine this. This is the character foundation. This is the way to create something new, ideation, character ideation. See, the nose is different. First you think and then start the drawing. How to make and implement. Wow, Gaurav. This is good. Oh, now you understand that how to implement. Is that creative? This